need to get an extension lead that you can run out to your car, and you're going to need a battery charger of some sort. I'll just use one of these, I think it was like 20 quid off eBay or Amazon. 4 amp does the job. You just want something that, as long as the battery ain't going to die mid flash, that's the main concern really. So I've always used this, seems sufficient. Literally plug it into extension lead, a couple of crop clips there, and then away it goes. These ones are pretty good. There's like a smart charger or something, so it tells you how full or whatever the battery is and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, grab one of those, you're going to need that. Right, I've had a few issues with my licenses. I was actually logged in on the wrong account, so I've sorted it now. So I'm going to go back into where we were earlier. So stage 1, turn the ignition on. Right, that's just a washer fluid level low alarm. So options, that's what I'm going to do. So it's saved the ones that I've set earlier. So duration 1.2 on the base, 1.5 on the sport, aggressiveness is still on soft, minimum RPM is 1000, and enable at standstill. Everything else, so we've got OEM downpipes, it all looks good. So let's go back, and I'm going to hit map right, contacting the DME, communicating with the DME, flashing the ECU. Now at this point, it's normally where you start getting lots of lights and stuff flashing, which starts to panic you. There you go. First one, driving stability, DSC failure, transmission fault, fault in drive, gear can be engaged without brake, DBC failure, FTM system error, start assistance inactive, lots of faults, which the first time you do this you'll panic, because I did. Thought something had gone horribly wrong, but have faith. Right, there we go, restarting the DME. Success. Turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds. Right time was 1 minute and 25 seconds. So I'm going to do that. Switch off the ignition, pull the key out, and then the best thing to do is just to wait for that light to go out. Obviously, not everyone's got the DCT box, but just wait until any lights or whatever around that area go out. That's normally enough. Right, that's that. So I'm going to come back. That should be it. So now I'm just going to disconnect the battery charger and shut the bonnet, and then go and take it for a little spin. Just obviously, like I said, I'm going to take it easy, let everything adapt, and then and see how it goes. Hey, everything feels normal so far, as it should. But I'm literally just going to go for a little drive just to make sure that everything is in order and that nothing silly's happened while it's been doing it, while it's been doing its right or whatever. And also just to let everything adapt as it was before we'd done the map. Right, so I've done a few miles, should be enough to let everything reset and adapt. So I'll overlay a couple of clips of the Burble, see the what it is, what it's like when you're on the soft setting, and the settings that I've used. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it will help out anyone that's trying to change their settings on the MHD maps. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.